up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning my channel. I'm at the Point Lookout, New York, and I'm going for deep sea fishing. Today we are targeting blackfish. Weather look good, and I'm expecting a great trip. You probably already saw from the video, the ocean was rough and the fishing was slow. But I managed to catch 2 of these blackfish. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called grilled fish. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started preparing the fish. First, remove the scale. Next, to make a dorsal cut on each side of the spine to expose the spinal bone. Cut off the rib cage and remove the spinal bone. Cut the fish into half with the belly attached. Remove the gill along with the guts. Prepare some onion, ginger, scallion, and garlic. Marinate the fish with salt, cooking wine, and white pepper along with the ginger scallion. After 20-minute marination, clean the fish and dry with paper towel. Prime the wok with hot oil. Sprinkle some salt on the wok to prevent sticking. Fry the fish on each side until it's golden brown. Prepare some of your favorite vegetables this time. I have lots of roots: celery, mushroom, carrot, tofu skin, seaweed, potatoes, starch noodle, and the tofu. Using boiling water and briefly cook all these ingredients. Add onion and boil the veggie to a pan. Saute garlic, ginger, scallion in the pot. Add a pack of grilled fish sauce that is available from Oriental store. Add a couple cups of water in the sauce. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon timber-end at this time. Cook the grilled fish in the sauce for about 10 minutes. Pour the sauce along with the fish over the veggie. Add pepper, scallion, and the sesame seed to the fish. Pour hot oil over the fish. This is the grilled fish I'm talking about. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.